Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make a live Twitch video on Android. Did you know that you can stream live Twitch videos on your mobile phone too? Follow these steps and you will learn how to do it on your Android phone. Open Twitch app and log into your Twitch profile if you haven't already. Click on the camera icon at the top of your screen. Choose whether you would like to stream a game or a live video. I will just choose Stream IRL to stream a live video. You will need to allow Twitch to access your camera and microphone if you haven't already. Now type in the title of your live video. Select a category of your live video. Now click on Start Stream button below. You will need to rotate your phone first to begin streaming. As you can see, I have finished my live video. That's how you do it. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to make a live Twitch video on Android. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.